Today's word is attitude. Attitude is that way of feeling or acting toward a person, thing, or situation. It can be positive or negative. It guides us in our decision making or beliefs. It's emotional. It can be cocky, defiant, cool, arrogant manner. That feeling you have or we have that makes us people sometimes. Don't say you don't have attitude. We all have attitude at some time. I had a friend. This little friend was a dog. I used to call his name Billy. So one day I called Billy. Billy, come here. Billy just gave me that look with an attitude. Anyways, I hope you learned something today. Attitude was our word.